Welcome to Yash Creations. What is GST? An overview. GST is known as the Goods and Services Tax. It is an indirect tax which has replaced many indirect taxes in India, which were the excise duty, VAT, services tax, etc. GST came into effect on 1st July 2017. 7 months after the formation of the Modi government, the new Finance Minister Arun Jaitley introduced the GST bill in the Lok Sabha. Goods and Services Tax, that is GST, is levied on the supply of goods and services. Goods and Services Tax law in India is a comprehensive, multi-stage, destination-based tax that is levied on every value addition. GST is a single domestic indirect tax law for the entire country. On 12th August 2016, Assam became the first state to ratify GST bill. Bihar and Jharkhand became the second and third states to ratify GST on 16th August and 17th August 2016. It was passed by Lok Sabha on 8th August 2016 and by Rajya Sabha on 3rd August 2016. The Goods and Services Tax, that is GST, is governed by the GST Council. The Office of Director General of Goods and Service Tax has been formed in the year 2015 by shifting the headquarters of Directorate of Services Tax, that is DGST, from Mumbai to Delhi and renamed as Directorate General of Goods and Services Tax. France was the first country in the world to implement Goods and Services Tax, that is GST. The United States is the only major economy that does not have GST. According to data provided by the Malaysian government's Treasury Department, roughly 160 countries have adopted a GST or VAT scheme. Under the GST regime, the tax is levied at every point of sale. The GST Council has fitted over 1,300 goods and 500 services under 4 tax slabs of 5%, 12%, 18% and 28% under GST. Businesses that exceed an yearly turnover of Rs 40 lakhs, earlier 20 lakhs, liable to GST registration. Any manufacturer or trader having a turnover of less than Rs 1.5 crore in a financial year can opt for the composition scheme. If you are a supplier of goods to more than one state, you are required to register for GST in all the states you supply goods. There is no registration fee for GST. Whose turnover exceeds 1.5 crore should come under regular scheme. Under regular scheme, returns should be made on a monthly basis and they can avail input tax credit, that is, tax paid on purchases. Apart from online filing of the GST returns, the GST regime has introduced several new systems along with it, such as e-way bills, e-invoicing, etc. There are 4 different types of GST components. CGST. CGST means Central GST. It is the tax collected by the central government on an intra-state sale, that is, within the state sales. SGST. SGST means State GST. It is the tax collected by the state government on an intra-state sale, that is, within the state sale. IGST. IGST means Integrated GST. It is a tax collected by the central government for an interstate sale, other states sale. UTGST. UTGST means Union Territory GST. It is applicable on the supplies that take place in the Union Territories. 8 UTs are there in India. Types of GST registration. Normal taxpayer. This category of GST registration applies to taxpayers operating a business in India. Composition taxpayer. To register as a composition taxpayer, the individual should enroll under GST composition scheme. Under composition scheme, tax payable at a fixed rate of 1% on the turnover and returns can be made on quarterly basis. Under composition scheme, input tax credit cannot be availed. Casual taxable person. A casual taxable person means a person who occasionally undertakes transactions involving supply of goods or services or both in the course or furtherance of business. Non-resident taxable person. A non-resident taxable person is defined as one residing outside India and making a taxable supply in India. Thank you.